Here's the final release version of the Wuben X3. I reviewed the prototype before, so I won't go over everything again. Just what's improved, and they did checklist some of my wish list. So let's go over them. Welcome back to EDC channel, this is Jay. I won't go over all the differences and similarities, just the ones I think worth mentioning. This time it came with the retail box, obviously. Opens up this way. With all the accessories in over here. Still with a cool lanyard cable. But with an unnecessary upgraded charging cable. They added this lightning adapter just when iPhone update to Type-C. Okay. Now let's check out this upgraded aluminum charging case first. They cancelled or postponed the blue gradient, the camo, and the green casing. There's a plain white, but for some reason it only comes with the blue one. And I picked this white one since it's the only one that glow in the dark. Oh, they also offered them with a charging base, which is sold separately. It's a cleaner one-piece design now. They use a sturdier hinge and move it to the back. Still Type-C and still doubles as a power bank, which is really handy, especially with this included cable. Only one LED now, and this button is not really a power button. The only thing it does or useful for is to check the battery level of the case. Probably the biggest change is the conversion from wireless charging to contact charging, which is one of my wish list or recommendation because it's faster. I was disappointed initially when I thought that I can't put the flashlight in the charging case without it being charging, because the power button did not really turn the charging off. Then I realized there are these two gold contacts at the bottom. So I placed a piece of paper inside to break the contacts, and it solved the problem. It's not charging. Not really an elegant solution, but it works. And it still retains the wireless charging capability in the flashlight itself. Still no direct or Type-C charging though. Still wish it's using a replaceable 18650s instead. Seems it should be able to fit two of them side by side like this. And maybe add an opening at the bottom. Something to consider for future iterations. Anyways, now on to the main thing. I'm liking this white head versus the black one on my prototype. Clip is pretty much still the same. I still have the same feeling about it. It's not really for carrying since it's not a deep carry one, but more for hands-free operation. They also added these two screws, which is now makes it much sturdier. No play at all. Which also should help with waterproofing. The OLED screen is unfortunately still slightly too small. Part of the info cuts a bit. It's using a Samsung LH351D high color rendering index and 650 NM luminous SSD 10 red light LED. The beam is now a little bit less throwy, which I prefer, probably due to the optics. I tried adding some diffuser on my prototype sample before, so I welcome this change. The double white option is also cancelled or postponed. I prefer the more versatile red and white combo anyways. For this size, I'm not really looking for maximum lumens. Okay, size comparison with other Wuben's right angle lights. This is the bigger L1. Titanium X0, which is probably the closest size. H1 and H5. Okay. Actually, this H5 is closer in size. UI is still mostly the same. Fortunately, there is no more special mode bug that I mentioned in my previous video. 3 click for strobe and another 3 click for SOS. No more red SOS or blinky. Unfortunately, there's still no way to turn on the blue auxiliaries without turning on or charging the flashlight, which is a cool effect. And they added a lockout now with a familiar 4 click. Don't really need it, never gets any accidental activation, but still handy. And I use it with the charging case most of the time anyways. Plus, I'm glad the locked and lockout notification is using the OLED display instead of the silly blinding LED. Smart way of taking advantage of the OLED display. I'll show a quick beam shot outside. It won't be much different from the previous one. It just less a bit less throwier. Okay, let's start with low. Bump to medium. Next level up, high. Down to low, now double click for turbo. Now let's try the red. Low. The red is actually throwier. Bump to high. Yep, the red is throwier definitely, which is a good combination. One more time. Low, medium, high. Turbo. Okay, so now let's compare with the diffuser. Turbo. And red. High. white light, turbo. Okay, now let's see the different beam patterns indoors with the diffuser or without diffuser. This is with diffuser, this is without, this is with. Now let's try the red. This is with diffuser, this is without, with diffuser. Okay, this is a fun and versatile little light, even as it is by itself. And this case adds even more versatility. Even more than the L1, I would say. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as usual. See you in the next one. Bye now.